A home is more than just a structure. It is a space where memories are made around the family table. Welcome to the Wimington 2.0. At 1,992 square feet, this 1.5-story Barndominum Farmhouse is a masterclass in balance, seamlessly blurring the lines between classic charm and contemporary living. Step inside, and you're greeted by grand vaulted ceilings that frame the open-concept main floor, filling every room with natural light and an inviting atmosphere. Designed for both quiet, everyday moments and special gatherings, the interior flows effortlessly from the spacious 1,322 square foot main living level straight out to the outdoor spaces. Featuring 3 comfortable bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, including a dedicated 670 square foot upper level with the secondary bedrooms, every area is optimized for privacy and style, and with an attached 2-car garage offering over 600 square feet of extra space, practicality meets design at every turn. Modern Barndo architectural character meets effortless functionality. Explore the full floor plan in the description below and build your dream home today. Here at DH Design, our mission is creating homes rooted around the family table. Please make sure to like and subscribe